Good morning, everybody. It's Dante over here with OnlyWoodFloors. We are done with the Chico here at the South Coast Plaza. So just want to take you guys through, show you guys what the floor looks like now. I'll go ahead and turn this around. I'm going into the back. So okay, so they went with the maple floor. As you can see, it looks totally different. All the scratches and everything that was once here is now gone. A quick walkthrough just to show everybody the difference. I don't know if you guys remember, there was like a beat up area right here. It's all scratched up, but sanded, stained. I believe this is maple, but looks terrific. Just goes to show here at OnlyWoodFloors, no project is too big or too small. So looks beautiful. All right, everybody, have a great day.